gotta say.
Tonight, for the final time during this 30th anniversary summer, 24 contestants will pack behind these podiums to compete for the lottery win of their life.
And what an opportunity it's been to make winners out of 3 times as many players over the past few months. It's been a fun way to say thank you for your loyalty over the years.
To cap it off, we hope you'll tune in next week for our 30th anniversary special, where one player will walk away with $300,000. Oh my, and make cash explosion history.
But right now, for the final time, let's meet tonight's CEXL contestants.
Team 1 is Candace from Wilmot, Jim from Canal Winchester, and Sharon from Canton. Playing on Team 2, it's Juanette from Garfield, Joel from Toledo, and Becky from Columbus. Team 3 is Sharon from Junction City, Randy from Avon Lake, and Douglas from Huber Heights. And finally, Team 4 is Gina from Minner, Chuck from Pataskala, and Gabe from Lima. So here's how this whole XL thing works. Contestants will play in teams of 3. Each player will take one turn, and all 3 team members will get the total on their podium. One player from the winning team will have their total doubled and play in the cash challenge. We'll decide that by putting all 3 team members through the cash challenge qualifier.
Players, we want you to send CEXL out with a bang. So what we want you to try to do is wipe all the stuff off the big board, all the money, all the doubles, all the bonus bucks. Candace, we're going to let you start that first for Team 1. You ready? All right, you're in the P column.
C.
The C for Candace. Behind that C.
Congratulations! $10,000.
Oh my gosh! Thank you. You take orders pretty well. What's behind that $10,000 bonus? $3,100. Lucky lady. All right, Winettes. You're in the I column. The A. Behind that A. Winettes, congratulations.
Did that?
Don't you love that?
Yes.
Okay, that's called a two-peat, I guess. I don't know.
Yes.
Okay, well, you know what? Again, whatever's behind that bonus is what the team is going to get. What is it? $3,200. I'm loving it. Sharon, let's do something big for the team.
All right.
E-column.
The S.
The S. What is behind that S? $3,000. Okay. Come on, Gina. In column.
H.
The H. Behind that H. $2,900. All right, check it out. We've unloaded $20,000 in bonus bucks, thousands of dollars, and I'm going to stay right here with Team 4, and we're coming right back to you, Chuck. So are you ready to hit that button?
Okay.
All right.
Come on, Chuck.
S column.
S.
The S. What is behind that S? $2,400. All right, Jim. P column. The A. And what is behind that A? $4,000. Okay, Joel, are you nervous?
No, I'm
Good.
ready.
Oh, good.
I'm ready.
In column, Joel.
C.
The C. What is behind that C? $3,000. You guys are doing it. Randy.
Yep.
I column.
H.
The H. What did Randy find for the team? I'm loving the way this game has started. Well, check this out. We are going to let Explosion do its thing and take you around there again. You're going to hit your button. We're going to double the amount of money behind that. Oh, this is for the team. What is it? $2,200, $4,400 are adding up. You guys have an instant lead. All right, 2 turns down. Plenty of big stuff still on the board. Doubles for sure. That could change the game. Come on back, see what happens. Welcome back to Cash Explosion. All right, Jay, you are going to start the last turn of this game. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right. P column.
S.
The S. What is behind that S? $2,800. Coming back over here to team 1. Okay, Sharon. S for Sharon.
C.
The C. What did she find? $3,500. So you guys are doing good taking all this off of here. Let's get some doubles. I still want to see more of those off. E column.
On to the H.
The H. Behind that H. $2,000. All right. Yeah. Breathe deep. Got it. Here we go. P column. You want the H? $2,200. All right, you guys, you're all going home with the money that's on your podium. Each of you get that. Going to the Cash Challenge qualifier. It's team 1. Oh, yes. Check that out. Congratulations, you guys. You have won your semifinal game. Each of you have $10,600 right now. Yes, let's see where all the bonuses were hiding. Now, let's get into the Cash Challenge qualifier. These 9 squares spell out the word challenge. Behind each square is a number, 1 through 9. You will each choose a square, and whoever finds the square with the highest number behind it is headed to the Cash Challenge. Well, we're about to play the Cash Challenge qualifier. You guys are going to be picking letters from the word challenge. So, Candace, go ahead and you pick the first letter.
A.
The A. The A for Candace. Jim.
The first E.
The first E. And Sharon.
H.
The H. Who is going to the Cash Challenge? How about that? It's Sharon! Nice job. Congratulations, Sharon. And right now we are doubling your total to $21,200. The journey continues for you. You're going on to play for $50,000 or more. 12 more players are competing for that chance next.
Now let's meet 12 more players. Team 5 is Lorraine from Columbus, Ronnie from Cincinnati, and John from Brook Park. Team 6 is Holly from North Canton, Judy from Castalia, and Deshana from Akron. Team 7 is Debbie from Sandusky, Laura from East Fultonham, and Mary from Cincinnati. Team 8 is Denny from Parma, Ronnalee from Northfield, and Joe from Columbus.
So, here is the deal. Before the night is over, one of you is going to be standing right up there. Are you motioning to yourself?
No.
He doesn't even know what I'm going to say. You're going to find yourself at the Cash Challenge table, playing for $50,000. Maybe it'll be you, maybe it won't. But in the meantime, all of you are going to win thousands of dollars while we figure out who is going to be playing at that table. So we're coming over here to Team 5. Lorraine, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Then go ahead and hit that button. You're in the O column, Lorraine. The A. $10,000 in bonus bucks right off the bat. Sherry, bring that beautiful silver bar right in here.
Hey, that's for you! Look at you!
That is
Congratulations!
awesome. Way to start a turn, Lorraine. That is pretty awesome, and that is just for you to spend. Pretty nice, huh? Well, how about we take a look and see what's going into the team total? That's going to be another $2,900. Holly, let's go see how it works out. You are in the O column. H. Okay, the H. $4,000. All right, Debbie, first turn for you. O column for you.
S.
The S. Double! Gotta love it. That's the way we like it. Explosions on fire. A lot of high fives. Now we're gonna cycle it around. You hit your button again. All right, ladies, cross your fingers. We're doubling what's behind the O. Yep, that's the biggie. $10,000 for Team 7 in that first turn. Just in case you're wondering, this is how friendships are made. All right, on we go. Here we go with you, Denny, your first turn.
Okay.
And it's the N column.
H.
The H. $2,200. So I'm pretty sure you figured out that Team 7 is off to a good start there, but you gotta come back, because we do have the leads change around a little bit. Come with us and see what happens after the break.
What are you doing on September 2nd? Hopefully tuning into the brand new Cash Explosion. We're bringing along some of the things players love, like the doubles, but you'll also see amazing new elements like a dedicated bonus board with bigger bonus bucks than ever before. And an instant cash challenge square, which gives any player who finds it a ride to the cash challenge, no matter their score. We can't wait to show you everything else up our sleeve on September 2nd.
Welcome back to CEXL, the last one. Ronald, you're going to start off our second turn for us. You guys got $2,200. Board's still loaded, though, so let's go, because there's a bunch of doubles. And here in the I column. C. The C. $25,000 in bonus bucks. Wow, yeah. Now, wow. I know.
Okay.
Woo!
Do you feel like a princess right now, Ronald?
I do.
You better.
That is pretty cool, isn't it? Absolutely.
Very nice.
So, just saying, $25,000 is yours and yours alone. However, she is going to contribute this much to the team. Another $2,100. All right. Ronnie. It's the L column.
The H.
The H. It is a double.
There we go.
They decided to go for the high five. All right, get ready to hit your button again. And we are doubling whatever's behind that N, and it's going to be $3,500. Yes, that was a nice turn. Yes, it was. All right, here we come over to our ladies. Are you ready? All right, Judy. Yep, it's your turn. And it's the I column this time. The H. $2,700. And here we go. To wrap up, our second turn's going to be with you, Laura. X column. C. The C. Okay, you know you're going to get to hit the button again. You know we're doubling whatever is behind the E. $2,000. We are going to add $4,000 to your total. So, wow. That gives your team a total at the end of our second turn, $14,000. So now we are going into that third turn. I'm going to come over here to Team 8. And yeah.
Yeah.
You know how
We
you
can
were
do it.
doing the
We can
this?
We still have time. We can do it.
Okay.
We can do it.
No pressure, but you're the only one who has a turn left.
Right.
Right.
That's
All
a good
right.
thing.
Let's
That's a
go
good
for it.
thing.
That is
Okay.
a good thing. And You are in the I column, Joe.
Let's do S. Let's do S.
Let's go with the S. $3,200, which is a nice turn. John?
Let's roll with it.
It's me, baby.
It is you. It is you.
Yeah, if I can hit big, yeah, ready?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Be careful. Don't hurt people or the board. Oh, my
I got
goodness.
the C.
How about we go with the C, all right? $3,300. Oh, my gosh. So much fun, so much money, so much gonna take a break. We'll be right back and finish up our game. Find out how everything's gonna turn out.
Feeling lucky this week? Try one of the new Ohio Lottery instant games. Game of Gold. Easy as 1, 2, 3. $25 million payout and $1 million payday. See an Ohio Lottery retailer to pick them up. Good luck.
All right, here we are wrapping up our game. We only have 2 turns left. Shayna is going to go at the board first, and we still have 3 doubles up there. We still have some bonus bucks. And, oh my goodness, it's the I column. Everybody says A, which happens to be a good thing. That is nice, isn't it? All right, let's see how this double is going to help you and your team out. $3,000. Yes, $6,000 jump. That was pretty awesome. And here we go. You are wrapping up our turn and our game for us, Mary. And it's going to be the end column for you.
A.
The A. $2,300. I got to tell you, that was a pretty exciting game. And the team, actually, that's going to step up to that cash challenge qualifier, Team 7. You're going to keep going for it while we take a look at what is left up on the board. Not much. Now let's get into the Cash Challenge qualifier. These 9 squares spell out the word challenge. Behind each square is a number 1 through 9. Now you will each choose a square, and whoever finds the square with the highest number behind it is headed to the Cash Challenge. You know, only one of you is going to go to the Cash Challenge, and only one of you is going to get that $32,600. And we're going to start off with you, Debbie.
A.
A. All right, coming over to you, Laura.
G.
And for Mary,
The second L.
the second L. I know, I can see your hands are shaking. All right, we are about to find out who is going to the Cash Challenge. Mary! Congratulations! You just doubled that total to $32,600. And you know what? We got the Cash Challenge coming up. This is what Cash Explosion's all about.
Tonight's winning numbers and the winners of a spot on 3 upcoming episodes of the Cash Explosion Show are coming your way. Here are the winners appearing on the September 16th, September 23rd, and September 30th show. Good luck, players. Welcome back to Cash Explosion's Columbus Studios, and welcome to tonight's Cash Challenge. Players, when we see one of your names 3 times on this board, we will have tonight's champion. Richard, as defending champion, you will pick first.
11.
Number 11. Behind number 11, how does Richard start the game? With $10,000. That's amazing. Congratulations. Enjoy that. Sharon, a number from you, please.
Number 1.
Number 1. What's behind number 1? Richard. So he wins $10,000 and he gets his name on the board. Mary, a number, please.
Number 2.
What's behind number 2? Mary. All right, Richard, we have more bonus bucks on this board, or you can find your name.
That's what I was going to say, 9.
9. Somebody yelled out 9. That's where you were going anyway.
Yeah.
What's behind number 9? Richard. All right, Sharon.
Number 10.
What's behind number 10? If it's Richard, the game's over. Richard! Richard Savarado Sr. is tonight's champion. A $100,000 prize goes home with him, and he will keep playing for more Cash Explosion cash. You don't want to miss next Saturday's show, our 30th anniversary celebration from Stranahan Theater and Great Hall at Toledo. See you then. Good night, Ohio. Tonight's winners are taking home a collective cash total of $400,500. It's real money given to real people, and we do it every Saturday night. Go get your tickets, Ohio. Get on this show.